Hello everyone and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. We have a very good looking G20 M340i. This car has some free flow downpipes and our full M340i catback exhaust. These cars sound extremely aggressive when you end up throwing those free flow components up front, and having the valve flexibility with the Valvetronic system offers a very versatile experience even with the free flow components. So come around back of the car, you can see this car will not shut up, I apologize. We have some beautiful 1x1 carbon fiber tips. Stock, these cars come with those like octagonal tips, which look okay, but I think that the quad tips suit this car a whole lot better. And obviously, as you can see, it is raining today, so we'll be very careful. In this video, we're gonna show you guys all of the sound characteristics. We're gonna do revs, flybys, startup. We're gonna do hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper just to show you guys exactly what your M340i will sound like with our full exhaust system. Let's get to the sound. Folks, we are inside the M340i. As you can hear, there's a lot of bass, there's a lot of drama when it comes to the valves being open. Even at 2,000 RPMs, you get a lot of drama inside, which is nice. These cars are very, very potent and very fast. So having that drama at low RPMs is good because you don't have to drive like a maniac to enjoy the system. Now, I will mention this car is tuned. I believe it's EcuTech. So yeah, you can hear all the overrun, all the cracks. It's very aggressive. When I turn left at this light here, what I'll do is I'll close the valves and show you guys just how docile it is in this car when you end up closing the valves. It is extremely flexible. So valves are open and we'll close them up. Listen to that sound change. It is absolutely incredible. So now the car sounds like it's bone stock, even with the free flow downpipe up front. If you do pair it with those free flow downpipes and maybe an intake, if you were to have a straight piped exhaust, you probably wouldn't be able to hear the intake noise up front. But with this system, you're able to still hear the intake noise with the valves closed. So you can really just pick which one you want to hear more of. Pretty cool. But we like exhaust over here at Valvetronic, so we'll do that one up. Listen to that overrun. I know the car is tuned, but still. Everyone knows those little whip cracks that the ZF8 transmission makes in between shifts, and that just gets even louder with our system. So we'll throw it in comfort mode now so you guys can hear just the raw B58 sound. If the pops and bangs aren't your thing, this system's still really good for you. Get some windows down. So we'll close up the valves. Can't even tell we're here. He had no idea. All you hear is raindrops. Now you will hear B58. it.